Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fikar Firdaus. Now I want to uh, I will I will uh, teach you load about load balance in routing. Load balance is the method that split the split the job of the router. So if in the router there is in router we have two ISP ESP that provide internet for our local, and in our local there is two PC. In first PC we can use the first way, and the second PC use the second way, or switch. The second PC use the first way, and the first PC use the second way. It was a method of load balance. So now we start to the lab. I will use simulator and Pinet Lab. Oh, sorry, not this. Nah, nah. We start to spawn three routers. Three router. We add the RAM, making it heavy. Where we did. Where the two of I was following it. Now we make the topology is like this. The first we do it, and then we spawn the cloud as our internet in the top, and we will use two PC as our client in the both of the third router, and then we will connect the first router with Ethernet 1 and the second router with Ethernet 1 2. We connect both of them to the second router with Ethernet 2, Ethernet 2 and 2. For the PC, 3 and Ethernet 4. This. After that, uh, start the device. For making easier, I will change the name. This will be our provider, our internet provider as ISP Telkom, and the second provider name is Biznet. Biznet. This router will provide will provide internet for our core router. This is will be router core cores as our router in our local network. To make it easier, I will give a text for the internet that put in the IP put in the way of the ISP Telkom will 10.10.10.1/30 for the Ethernet 2 in the ISP Telkom. And we duplicate Ethernet 2 in the router core will use 10.10.2. For the Biznet way, we'll use 11.11.11.1/30/30 for the internet to in Biznet, and duplicate 1132 sorry 11.2 we'll use in our router core. And then for the local I will use 12.12.12.1/24 is for the Ethernet 3 in the router core for provide IP address to our private network. And the second way or the second piece I will use 40.1/24 14, yeah? Not 14, sorry. For the PC we'll use 0.2. 0.2.
This is use chain
0.2 and then this we duplicate like this, yeah. Sorry. Okay. We're ready to configure. Firstly, we will configure the telecom for firewall NAT. For IP address, we add the address in Ethernet 2 for can communicate to our router core. We begin from provider telecom. Nah, login with admin. Short now, we will change the name for making it your system. Identity set name ISP minus telecom. Firstly, we see that our network provider get the DHCP client or no from the internet. We can see in the IP DHCP client print. We already get 192.168.141 and 0.159. Then we configure the easier for you to see. Like this.
And then start NS
like this, yeah. The Ethernet 2. Ethernet 2 we will put IP address at address 10.10.10.1/30 for the interface Ethernet 2. And then we IP address print to see our configure already. And then we configure IP firewall NAT for making the device under our network provider can get the internet or can communicate to the internet with the format IP firewall NAT at chain source NAT out interface. We use the other one, Ethernet 1, because the internet come out from the Ethernet 1. The action is masquerade IP firewall NAT print already. We continue to the router BizNet. Setting we configure same as the telecom router.
After main
Add
the rules you need an action
admin
which is drop
system identity set
that
name ISP slash minus the net, and then we configure IP we see that we get the JPEG client or no IP the JPEG client print we already get and already bought. And then we add IP address at address, use the 11.1 or the Ethernet 2, 11.11.11.1/30. The interface is adder 2. After that, we configure the we see first in the IP address list that already configured this one. The in the Ethernet one, we get the IP from the internet with the dynamically. If dynamic, we cannot remove. We cannot configure with manual because it's already dynamically get from the internet. And then we configure IP firewall, not at chain, source not out. Interface is either 1, 2, and then the action is masquerade. Make sure the IP firewall already configured. IP firewall not print already. After that, we continue to the router core. For the router core, we must configure 4 IP address for interface. Like usually, we need to change the name. Admin system identity set name router core. We configure IP address at to make it easier. We'll make small like this. At address 10.2, I put in the Ethernet 2. 10.10.10.2/30 interface adder 2. Then IP address at address 11.2, we will put in the Ethernet 1. S30 interface Ethernet 2. 1, sorry. And then we make the IP address for our local network 12.12.12.1/24. We put in the Ethernet 3 interface Ethernet 3. And IP address again at address 14.1/24. We put in the interface adder 4 for the PC 2. Local address for the PC 2. 14.14.14.1/24. Interface is adder 4. So that we see in the IP address print already configured all. Look. Address print. Already 4. Then we configure IP firewall not for translating our private IP becoming the public IP so that we can can communicate our PC to the internet with the format IP firewall not at chain source not out interface adder 2 action is masquerade. This is for the first IP firewall not, and then secondly we make it for the Ethernet 1. This is for the Ethernet 2, and then we make one more for Ethernet 1. IP firewall not at chain, source NAT, out, interface
No. The list is name.
is
Forward.
header,
Horizontal.
one, action, masquerade,
From.
PC, IP, firewall, not print.
IP public.
There is already. And we continue to configure IP address in the PC. And this is the first PC. We use the format IP. IP 12.2/24. 12.12.12.2/24. The gateway we use the IP address that we configure in the router core. In the router core, we configure the gateway from the Ethernet tree in the router core. Sorry, there is notification. With the 12.1 checking for duplicate address. Continue to the second PC. Oh, sorry. For the second PC, IP. No, sorry. You can use like the format in the first PC or like this. IP address. The address 14.14.2/24. The gateway we use the 14.14.14.1. Thank you. Oh yeah, the gateway. Sorry. IP address 14.14.14.2/24. The gateway is 14.14.14.1. Oh, no need the IP address. Sorry, IP 14.14.14.2/slash. Sorry. /24. The gateway is 14.14.14.1. Check it for the duplicate address. Now we will check the. Oh yeah, I forgot. In the router core, we configure IP route for reach the internet, or making our client or our router can reach the internet or connected to the format IP route at destination. We'll use the all network with 0.0.0. The gateway is the Ethernet 2 for the first internet provider. As the telecom, we use the gateway is 10.10.10.10.10.2. Then we add more for the way that use with BizNet at destination with the gateway. Forgot we use 11.11.11. Oh, I'm sorry. Wrong. The gateway use the internet provider IP. Yes, because gateway and IP route we need to add the IP next hop that firstly connected to our router. Near. It's near to our router. I will change for the BizNet. Use 11.11.11.1. IP route print. I will add the 10.10 IP route.
Simple configuration. You can
Oh, yeah. I will remove all the static configuration because there is mistake. I forgot is with the load balance we use one rule for two gateways. The format IP route at destination 0.0.0.0/0 gateway we use 10.10.10.1 comma 11.11.11.1 and then IP route print. Nah, already AS. The AS means active static to the destination 0000 to the internet with the gateway 11 as a business 10.10 is as the telecom. From the router core to ping to the Google. Ping already working.
You can
It ping to the gateway 10.10 gateway of the telecom already working and ping to the
our configuration.
business. If working, our client
We
is
already
must to be can ping to the internet.
IP route configuration.
We see from the PC2 we first PC1 we firstly ping to the our gateway. Ping 12.12.12.1 already working to the telecom provider internet provider ping 10.10.10.1
Same if you
format. If like this, you must close, you must turn off the PC and then turn on again. This is already shut out.
maybe enough.
We test ping again.
Assalamualaikum
We'll minimize. It is ping to the telecom. 10.10.10. Oh, 12.12.12.2 slash sorry IP 12 wait 12.12.12.1 the IP address is lost. We must configure it repeat configure and we test ping again to the telecom. Already working. It must be if we want to ping to the internet, it's already working. Ping 8.8.8. Already working with the telecom. With the second router, we ping to the gateway first 40.40.40.1 already, and then ping to the business 11.11.11.1 already working, and then we ping to the internet with 8.8.8 of ping to the Google. Already working. After this, we can see the as we see in the router core, we configure the IP address. The IP route, one rule for two gateway.
Without destination
Like this. We can know our PC use where the way that
and then
use to reach the internet. We can press with the comment press 8.8.8.8. We can see from here 11.11.11 11.11.11.1 is the way from telecom. So the first PC is used to reach the internet with the telecom way, and we press from the
And then we
PC to
the
press 8.8.
client
It used the PC to uh, can get to the internet with the
IP
10.10 as the
10 1
telecom
slash 34.
telecom way. The 11 is business way. Sorry for the mistakes. We can see in the topology is like this.
We check the root. What?
Nah, like this, yeah.
Yeah.
So the load balance is the method that split up the job from the job of router that
Not reachable.
can give can make the client
Wait.
who wants to reach the internet use
And
the
cara
the some of the
dari
way that
di IP firewall dulu ya.
our that
IP firewall
we have
sih.
two in this topology we have a two internet provider that we make then that makes our client can
Oh.
reach the internet. So load balance if load balance the it works from the router. The method round robin. It was a method that only the router can choose this package will get to the internet with which way. We cannot configure at manual because it's already dynamically with the router
Oh, iya.
job. This router can choose it. Yeah, maybe that's all from me. I'm sorry if there are a lot of mistakes.
IP
Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.